Glass beads are a real expense, and if you're not tracking usage at the truck level, you're opening the door for waste and higher operational costs. But what if there was a way to accurately monitor usage? The CJS-119 scale head has been a long-time solution to accurately track bead usage. By weighing bead tanks directly, you can track usage with precision, no guesswork involved. Efficient tracking helps reduce waste, saving you money on materials. With data, over time, you can improve application rates and performance. No longer having to fly blind to bead usage, you can track job cost and really hone in on future estimates. So, how does it work? The CJS 119 scale reads the load cells to determine the weight of the beads. This information, along with skipper data, is recorded by the logger and then uploaded to SpecRite Online. To get started, attach load cells securely between the bead tank and the deck at each mounting point. Connect the load cells to the CJS using the provided connectors and cables. Using an RJ45 Ethernet connection for communication and power, connect the CJS to the nearest SC12 hub in any port 1 through 8. Power up and enter the guided setup. To input load cell information, this allows the system to ensure accurate weight readings. When the bead tank is empty, tare the scales and confirm accuracy by adding a known weight. And if there are any issues, our diagnostic features make troubleshooting a breeze. The CJS-119 simplifies bead tracking, boosts accuracy, and helps reduce waste, all while integrating seamlessly into your existing skip line system. Upgrade your paint truck with Skip Line's CJS-119 today. Contact us to learn more.